AI is taking over game development. Soon there will be no need for scripters, artists, or sound designers. Builders are safe for now. Today, we're gonna find out if AI can really replace scripters by trying to copy front-page Roblox games with AI. I was going to try copying a new game like Doors, but this AI has limited knowledge of events after 2021. So instead, I'm gonna copy Jailbreak. Now, obviously, the best way to go about this is to start with leader stats and then move on to things like handcuffs. However, I'm just gonna ask it to give me a prison game. Write a Roblox script for a prison game. Looks like it's actually giving me something. So the AI said it's assuming a prisoner is inside of a jail cell, which is inside of a jail. It also says it thinks there's a release button inside the jail, and when the release button is clicked, the prisoner is removed from the jail cell. Let's go try this out in a real game. So first, I'm just gonna build a jail. It's gonna be like this, and I'm just gonna bring the transparency up. Inside of the jail, I created a smaller part for the jail cell. Now that everything is in the correct order, like the AI wanted, I'm gonna create the script. Inside starter character scripts, I'm gonna create a brand new script and paste in the code. I added a wait 5 here so we can actually move the player inside the jail cell. So it looks like it already gave me an error, but I know what the issue is. It's assuming that this right here is a click detector, but instead it's a part. Made it a click detector, but now what's gonna happen is when I click on this part right here, it's going to activate it. Alright guys, for the moment of truth, let's go ahead and click right here, and I just got released from the jail. So it looks like it did try its best to copy Jailbreak, but that was not nearly as fun. I would try to copy a few more games, but nobody wants to watch that, and you already saw how badly the AI failed. Watch the video on your screen right now to beat the AI and become better than it at scripting. So if you enjoyed this, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.